In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule meetings in Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to share a meeting link with your participants. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and heading straight to the calendar view. You'll find calendar in the main navigation. If you're using the web version, the layout looks almost identical to the desktop app, so everything I describe will feel familiar. Take a quick look at the top of the calendar to make sure the date range is what you need. Switching between day, work week, or week can make it easier to spot a good time. Also, it's a good habit to confirm your time zone before scheduling so the meeting appears at the right time for you and your attendees. Next, look for the new meeting button with the plus icon and click it. Depending on your version, it might say new event or simply show a plus sign, but it does the same thing. It opens the scheduling window. This is where you'll create the meeting. Now enter the meeting details. Give your meeting a clear descriptive title so attendees immediately know the purpose. In the participants field, start typing names or email addresses and select the correct people as they appear. Set the start and end date and time and adjust the duration if needed. If your meeting spans different time zones, double check that the times make sense for all participants. You can add an agenda or key talking points in the description box to set expectations and help everyone prepare. If you need a recurring meeting, look for the repeat option and choose the frequency that fits your schedule. You can also set a location if it's hybrid or leave it online only. Take a moment to review everything: title, attendees, time, and description, so there are no surprises later. When everything looks good, press save. After saving, a dialog box will appear with your meeting details, including the meeting link. Click copy link to grab it. That link is all your attendees need to join at the scheduled time. You can paste it into a chat, email, or any announcement you use to communicate with your team. If you make a mistake or plans change, just return to your calendar, open the meeting, adjust the details, and save again. The link stays the same unless you create a new event. That's it. You've scheduled a Microsoft Teams meeting, added the essentials, and copied the join link to share. Keep your agenda concise, confirm time zones, and you'll be ready for a smooth professional session.